Playfully funny. Painfully funny. Powerfully funny. What's so funny? Cartoons and comedy on BBC Kids.
I love it!
What's happening with
CTT Chicks?
We've enjoyed sharing adventures, laughter, and learning with you, our wonderful viewers. But the time has come for this channel to say goodbye as we end our broadcast on December 31st.
Please stand by for this important message.
Please turn off your TV immediately. This is a statewide emergency. CTT channel has ceased broadcasting as of December 31st, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I repeat, please turn off your TV immediately. This is a statewide emergency. CTT channel has ceased broadcasting as of December 31st, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is Mike Zuckerberg. I'm the richest guy in the world. So, I'm telling you that CTC channel has ceased broadcasting and you have to turn off your TV immediately. As I say so, something bad will happen to you soon due to the lack of money for CTC Studios. This is not a test. This is a statewide emergency. Something scary will happen to you if you live in Australia, which is Perth, Adelaide, Brisbane, Canberra, Sydney, Melbourne, and Darwin. Homer, Trevor, Dillis, and the kids will sing something horror to you.